Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the daily, let's start from the daily time frame here, and we can see that we got a flip to the upside. Yesterday market rallied into this resistance zone and then sold off, but we can see that rate of change is still pointing to the upside. And if we check, for example, 8-hour time frame, we can see that clearly that market is in this consolidation, that there is a strong support around the price. It's 1.0780. And we can see that market is reacting pretty aggressively this morning from this zone. So from my perspective, this can be the if the market can trade above this consolidation and eventually hold above this 1.0800 level, then this can open a door for again retest of this resistance zone at 1.0875, 885 mark. So watch carefully for this consolidation, as you can see here on the 30-minute time frame, and watch for the breakout and hold above to confirm further rise, since we are also in a strong bull cycle on the daily frame. If we speak about the gold market, I also see potential for the higher prices today. We can see here that market traded three down days in a row, and that there is a fresh rate of change flip to the upside at this stage. So that is a very good sign that we can see higher prices despite this pin bar and volatile day yesterday. I will not be surprised if the market will retest 1918 mark or even 1924 mark. On the 8-hour time frame here, we can see that market is found a support on this rising middle Keltner line, so this can also be a form of the bull flag. And my advice to watch for the buying opportunities on the gold market for today. If we speak about the crude oil, we have the market traded lower, took like a 3-day low, but if we check the multi-time frame analysis, we had some big exhaustion here underneath below the previous day low. So I will not be surprised if the market can rally into the previous day low and even to trade into the previous day range. But as I said, this one is just testing this multi-day low, and it's trying to, the rate of change, we can see that we have a second reading to the downside, but there is a higher 20 exponential moving average is moving higher. We are on the weekly time frame, we are basically pretty much around this consolidation high. So it's not that great situation, the crude oil, but there is a chance from my perspective for the price to back into the previous day range, and so that can be, or at least towards this 78.97 mark. So watch for that intraday potential upside rotation on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had some down readings here, and this is the first up reading this morning on the Bitcoin. We can also see that on the 8-hour time frame, we found the support in the rising 20 exponential moving average, and that this might be the sign for some upside continuation on the Bitcoin. So far, market is very contracted here, so I would like to see more volatility and eventual break of 20,900 mark or so to confirm this potential upside rotation towards 21,500 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.